Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to pass data from child component to parent component. So last day we learned about how to pass data from parent component to child component. Today we'll do the reverse things. I will pass data from child component to parent component. Okay, so how we can use this? So basically this is the parent component, that is app component, and we will create a component that is the child component. So first create the component. So right here write ng for angular, g for generate, c for create, and name of the component that is products. Okay, so just enter this. So we can see there is 4 files created related to the products component, and one file is updated, that is app.module.ts. So if you just go to the browser, we can see there is a new folder generated, that is products folder, and inside the products folder we have the 4 files, that is css, html, specs, and the component file, and also app.module.ts is updated. So what is the updated things? So it is just imports the product component and using this as a module. Okay, so inside the ng modules we can see the products component. Okay, so now we will create a functions in app component.ts, that is the parent component, and we will use this. Go to the app component.ts and create a function. So just write function, and suppose function name is, so don't need to write keyword of function, so directly write the function name. So here I am writing the function name, that is from parent. Okay, so as it is writing in the parent component, so writing the from parent. Okay, and here I will take some data. Okay, so this is data, and I will to print data value from the console. So right here console dot log. So initially we will print in console, and I will show you how to print in the browser also. Okay, so just for now it is I am printing from console. So now just go to the app.component.html file. So here we will use the product component first. So how we can use this? So we know inside the product component.ts file we have a selectors. Okay, so just use this from here. So just use this selector app dot app products. Okay, and this. Okay, so now if you go to the browser we can see the products works. So I'll just change the text, that is from products component.html. So just write inside the h3 tag. Okay, h3, and right here this is from child component. Okay, so just check this. So this is from child component. Okay, so now we will pass the parent function, that is the from parent function, from the app component.html. Okay, so using the selector. So here write the function name. So what is the function name? That is from parent. Okay, so we'll pass this in this way from parent, and we'll get access, that is inside the child component, that is I am creating the same name. So as it is a function, we will write in this way, and we can see there is a data. So we need to take this data, so we'll pass the event. So write dollar event. Okay, so from this argument we will pass data into here. Okay, so now just go to the products component dot ts file, and here we will import some things. So we will import the output. Okay, so right here output, and we will use another things, that is event emitter. So basically this is the thing to use to call the child function. Okay, so now just use this here. So right here dollar output, so in this way, and as it is a function, so right here the functions, and we will use these things, that is from app component.html, that is from parent, and use the event emitter. Okay, so right here in this way event emitter, and equal to the new event emitter. Okay, and we can pass data in this way. So here we can pass this data, so we will pass any kinds of data, so right here any. Okay, so in this way we can pass any data, and further we can see how we can restrict the data type, but for now we will pass any kinds of data. That's the reason we are writing this any. Okay, and we will write something from child function and we will get access from the parent. Okay, so just use that is this dot from parent dot emit is the function name, and you will pass that is, suppose I am writing here from child component. So now if we just go to the browser, we can see the from child component. Basically we are using console to print this. So inside here, so using console.log, we are printing these things. So if we just change the value, that is, suppose I am passing any objects here, we can pass. So in this way we can pass the object. Suppose here pass name equal to, suppose I'm passing the keyboard. So I'm basically creating an object, right? And here we'll pass also the another property, that is color, and color is black. So if we just go to the browser, we can see the object also. So inside the console we are getting the object, that is color and name. So in this way we can pass data from child component to parent component. So now I am going to show you a real life example. We will create a button here, and by this button click we will get the output from child component to parent component. So now just go to the products component.html file and here create a button. So just write a button and the name of the buttons, that is pass data to parent. Okay, and here we will create a click event. So before that, just check this button is created or not. So here you can see the button is created, though the label is not looking good, but it's okay to learn about these things. Okay, so we'll create a event. So we'll call a function, that is, I will create a click event, and here we'll create a function that is for child function. Okay, so I am writing the name, that is child function, to understand it more clear. So basically this is the function name and it will be from child component, that is products.component.ts. So here we'll create a functions. So right here child function, and inside this we will create let data equal to these things, the object. I am taking this object and we will call from inside this. So right here this dot, actually these things, this dot from parent dot emit. Okay, and as we are taking inside this data, so just paste this data here. Okay, so we don't need this right now, so I am just removing this. So now just go to the app component.html file and we will print the value when you click on the button. So here simply write inside the sc tag, that is product details, details. Okay, so inside the will take li. So inside the li we will print all those things. So you can use the value from child component. So here we will write the product name is something and product color is something. So we will pass this from the methods. So we will get access of these things from app component.ts. As we are passing these things from product component.ts, we are receiving these things from app component.ts. So here we will get the things. So here we will just create two properties. Suppose product name equal to, by default I am writing as blank, and product color, so same I am writing default as a blank, and we will get the value inside this data. So here we will write this dot product name equal to data dot name. So basically this name is coming from here, and we will use the color also, so spelling mistake. Okay, so this dot product color equal to data dot color. So this is the property and this is passing from child component. Okay, so now we can get access of this product name here. So just write in the app component.html. so here write product name and here write this product name, and we will use the product color. So just copy the product color, this is the property of parent component, and paste it here. So now if we just go to the browser, we can see the output. So initially the product name is blank and product color is also blank, so we are passing the blank as the initial value. So if we click on this button, we can see the output, that is product name keyboard and product color is blank. So if we just change the value from the child component, suppose here write mouse and color is red. So if we just go to the browser and click on this button, so we can get output. So we are setting data basically from child component and printing the output from parent component. So in this way we can pass data from child component to parent component. So this is all about the data busing, and if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. So next day we'll going to discuss about Angular pipes. So when we learn about Angular modules, we say that the module is consist not only the component, there is pipes and there is many things. So we will start the new things, that is the Angular pipes, and after that we will step by step go to the from and others operation. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.